So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Mac is just not installing any version of macOS. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons, whether you're restarting your Mac, like you're resetting it, or you're in macOS recovery, or any other issue like that. There's a couple of different things you can kind of work on to basically fix this issue. Number one, you might just want to make sure that your Mac, whatever you have, isn't using a different type of system clock within the recovery. So sometimes if you're in recovery mode, or even if you're in the standard mode and you're just updating your Mac, if your time is not the same settings to where you're actually at, that might end up causing some issues. So in recovery, go inside of the Utilities tab at the top, then Terminal, type date, hit enter, and make sure your date and your time is formatted right. That's kind of the easiest way to do it. You might also want to just go through and make sure that your Wi-Fi that you're connected to has enough, essentially internet and capability to even update it in the first place. So go through, try making sure that there's no issues there. Now, you might also want to try restarting your Mac. So sometimes you might have to go through, just restart your Mac that you're using. That could also very well end up fixing this problem as well. That's another very big thing I'd probably recommend kind of looking at from that particular perspective. Now, if that's not working, you might also want to just go through and see if you can kind of restart the process of software installing. That could also be another thing to recommend too. So in terms of that covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.